force of magnitude 3 and 4 units acting in the directions 6I vector plus 2j vector plus 3k vector and 3I vector minus 2j vector plus 6k vector respectively act on a particle which is displayed from the point 2, 2, minus 1 to 4, 3, 1. Find the work done by the force. Solution. Now the total force equals 18I vector plus 6j vector plus 9k vector plus 12I vector minus 8j vector plus 24k vector equals 30I vector minus 2j vector plus 33k vector. Also d vector equals 2, 1, 2. F vector into d vector equals 30 into 2 plus minus 2 into 1 plus 33 into 2 equals 60 minus 2 plus 66 equals 124 by 7. Find the magnitude of A vector into B vector if A vector equals 2I vector plus k vector, B vector equals I vector plus j vector plus k vector. Solution. Now A vector into B vector equals modulus of I vector, j vector, k vector 2, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1 equals I vector into minus 1 minus j vector into 2 minus 1 plus k vector into 2 equals minus I vector minus j vector plus 2k vector. Therefore, magnitude of A vector into B vector equals square root of 1 plus 1 plus 4 equals square root of 6. Modulus of A vector equals 3, modulus of B vector equals 4 and A vector into B vector equals 9. Find modulus of A vector into B vector. Solution. Now modulus of A vector into B vector equals modulus of A vector into modulus of B vector cos theta. 9 equals 3 into 4 cos theta. Therefore, cos theta equals 9 by 12 equals 3 by 4. Therefore, sin theta equals square root of 63 by 12. Therefore, modulus of A vector into B vector equals modulus of A vector into modulus of B vector sin theta equals 3 into 4 into square root of 63 by 12 equals square root of 63. 0 into modulus of A vector into B vector the whole square minus modulus of A vector minus B vector the whole square equals modulus of A vector square into modulus of B vector square to get A vector into B vector equals square root of 63.